Bismillah. Salam to all. This is Jhanne Idris and welcome again to my channel. We will now talk about the most common mistake, no? Yung paggamit ng one of, yung phrase na one of. Okay? Maraming nagkakamali dyan, no? Especially sa Facebook, ang dami kong nakikita na mali. Alright, so one of describes something or someone from the same group. Okay, so sa isang grupo, may isa na tinutukoy ka. Okay, so yun ang sinasabing one of. Yung sa isang grupo, meron kang specific na isang member na tinutukoy. Okay. So, one of, tandaan natin, is always singular. And it's also always followed by a plural noun or a pronoun. Okay? So, kailangan ang kasunod na noun ay plural. Noun or pronoun ay plural. Okay? Basta ha, tandaan, one of the many. Isa lang sa marami. Yun lang ang sinasabing one of. Example, one of the cats is orange. So, maraming cats, ang isa sa kanila ay orange. Ayan. Yan yung mga pusa namin. One of the cats is orange. Another example, one of my friends is in Korea. So, wala akong maipakitang example kasi gawa-gawa ko lang to eh. Okay, another example. One of them has blue eyes. Ayan. One of them. Pronoun naman yung them, no? Plural. So, meron daw siyang blue eyes. Another example. One of your secrets is revealed. Okay, so ang dami mo palang sikreto pero isa lang yung nalaman namin. Alright? One of those drivers was caught. Isa doon sa mga drivers, maraming drivers, ang nahuli. No? Usong-uso yan ngayon sa Marawi. No? Yung panghuhuli ng mga pedicab drivers, kawawa naman sila. Okay. So, I guess, naintindihan naman, klaro naman siguro yun, no? Naintindihan natin na dapat isa lang sa marami ang tinutukoy. Kaya dapat singular siya, no? Ang plural lang is yung noun or pronoun na kasunod. Excuse me. Okay, so ang quiz, you choose a sentence that follows the correct grammar. Okay, number 1. Good luck! Okay, time is up. Let's get the answers. Sana na perfect nyo ulit. Okay, 1. This is one of the things that get me going. Ayun. Mali, no? Kasi dapat plural siya. So, dapat may S. Number 2. We have seen one of the best waterfalls in Iligan. Ayun, tama. Number 3. You don't trust one of your classmates. Mali ulit. Dapat may S. Okay, number 4. Join the gong team and be one of us. Tama ba? Tama. Okay, plural yung us. Tayo. So, plural. 5. They planned a beach party and one of them was emotional. Them is plural pronoun, so tama siya. Number 6. In my entire life, one of the best person is you. Okay, mali siya, no? Dapat may S. 7. One of the best coach I admire is Saida bint Abdul Malik. Hello! Ayan, mali. Dapat may ES. Kasi ang plural ng coach is coaches, di ba? Number 8. Yasgar is one of Rema's schoolmates who earned my respect. Yes, I respect these two former students of mine. Number 9. One of our customers is addicted to our sweet and spicy dilis. Tama. Number 10. One of the best gestures that he does is kiss her dear mother's forehead. Tama, no? Tsaka, ang bait naman. Okay. Thank you for watching. Sana ay nakuha niyo lahat ng tamang sagot. Perfect score kayo. And God bless you. Salamat sa panonood. See you again next time sa next vlog ko naman. Thank you ulit. God bless.